are from
A2b group. We studied at International Ataturk Alatoo University. Our university is one of the best in our country.
The teachers are professional, and now university studies the best students of Kyrgyzstan. And now a little information about our university.
Enjoy it.
International Ataturk University located in Tungush district. Alatoo is very far from city center, but we have enough resource at university to study. The buildings at university are very modern and beautiful. In university territory, we have canteens, dining halls, football field, tennis court, basketball hall, girls' dormitory, 2 dance halls, summer houses, and a lot of benches, where we can have a rest during break times.
Kyrgyzstan is located in Central Asia, bordering China, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. The national language, Kyrgyz, is closely related to the other Turkic languages, with which it shares strong cultural and historical ties. Nearly 94% of Kyrgyzstan are mountains. That is why it called the second Switzerland of Asia. Kyrgyz people were nomadic, wandering from one place to another, and they lived in the yurts. The yurt, known as the bozui, holds a tender place in Kyrgyz hearts, and shepherds still set up yurts in the mountains in summer to graze their herds. And the most respectful place in Bozui is Turk. The climate is sharp continental, so nomadic culture demanded practical clothing. Padded layers, sheepskin coat called the chapan, and felt hats provide warmth and mobility, like kalpa. Traditional Kyrgyz food revolves around mutton and horse meat, as well as various milk products, as kurut, long-lasting suckable dry salty ball, which is made from yogurt.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Ala-Archa, the best place in Bishkek.
Hello.
Hello.
We are in Ala-Archa now. How you can see, they are very beautiful. The nature is wonderful. Ala-Archa is one of the best places in Kyrgyzstan. People come here to have a rest, enjoy after hard work. And now we will show you some videos of Ala-Archa. The Ala-Archa is an alpine national park in the Tian Shan Mountains of Kyrgyzstan, established in 1976 and located approximately 40 kilometers south of the capital city of Bishkek.
The park is a popular destination point for weekend picnickers, hikers, horse trekkers, skiers and climbers looking for ice, rock and mixed roads. Every 1st of May there is a Alpinada festival and hundreds of people camp out in the valley and climb.
Archa is an ancient tree and it's very important for Kyrgyz people. It's used from our past generation. In Kyrgyz, the Archa which gives the park its name is a bright or many-colored juniper which Kyrgyz people have traditionally held in a special esteem, using smoke from its burning wood to chase away evil spirits.
They use it when somebody ills to kill bacteria instead of drugs, or when they enter a new house to clean and protect from spirits. Kyrgyz people used to believe it and still believe.
Kyrgyz people believe to different things, and one of them is wishing tree. They tie ribbons on the trees and wish desires and believe that it will come true.
Ala-Archa includes a gorge of the Ala-Archa river and the mountains surrounding it. Ala-Archa river has a length of 78 kilometers and a basin area of 233 kilometers. Its water comes majorly from glaciers and snow. The river runs through Ala-Archa National Park and town Bishkek. Other settlements in river basin are Kashkasu, Baytik, Ortosay, Tashtebe and Majorca.
Okay, when the people are in this magic place, they can play the volleyball, they can just have a rest, enjoy their time, they can have like the small barbecue with the friends, they can just enjoy the nature, which you just see on this place. So, this is what can bring the nature to the people.
Every year there are thousands of tourists. They come from different countries. That's why there are a lot of hotels for them. They are very comfortable and not too expensive. And some of tourists shared their feelings with us.
So, one more time, hello? Can you tell about the nature of the Kyrgyzstan? How it is for you? Do you like this?
The nature is fantastic, with all the trees and the valleys, the horses, the sheep, the people, of course, are very natural. And it is paradise on earth.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
I got here downstairs and I saw like the signs, like mountain, waterfall, and stuff. I'm like, oh, okay, how far? 5K? I said, which way is the waterfall? And they said, oh, follow the stream. And I think that there will be waterfalls, because it goes down. If you follow the stream, maybe you never see a waterfall, right? So we followed the stream. No waterfall. You got nothing. You gotta go all the way up here somewhere. Have you been to the waterfall yet? How far is it? Have you went?
No.
Have you went?
No, how far is it?
Have you went? Somebody seen it? You saw it before. I think it's a legend. There's no waterfall here. They trick. No, maybe it is though, but.
Thank you.
I like Kyrgyzstan, a very beautiful country. Here is a very beautiful place, and the people is a very, very, very funny and beautiful people.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.